Most people confuse two very different mindsets in the world of business and investing: the gambler's mindset and the farmer's mindset. The gambler wants to win fast. He wants to succeed overnight, no matter the cost, no matter the consequences waiting around the corner. And here's what makes that mindset so dangerous. When it wins, it doesn't know how to repeat its success. When it loses, it doesn't know how to recover. It gets addicted to the rush. And one big loss, that's all it takes to bring everything to a standstill. The farmer is different. From the outside, the farmer looks slow. He looks like he's falling behind. But look closer. He's almost always moving in the right direction. The farmer knows he can't plant today and eat today, so he plants long before he's hungry. He prepares before the need arrives. The smart investor operates the same way. He conditions his mind and his expectations. He accepts that the return might take time, that some seasons bring loss, that patience isn't weakness, it's strategy. And as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, once said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Don't believe it? Let's look at the numbers. Uber, one of the most recognized companies on the planet, didn't turn its first profit until 14 years after it launched. Spotify waited 16 years. And Tesla, the company of Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, with a fortune now estimated at over $800 billion, didn't see its first profitable year until 17 years in. 17 years of losses. 17 years of farming before the harvest came. So ask yourself, which mindset are you carrying into your decisions today? Be the farmer, not the gambler. If this idea shifted something for you, good. But knowing the difference between a farmer and a gambler, that's just the beginning. Like the video to see more.